Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Isha, and for today's video, I'm really excited to try these out. So ito yung bagong makeup brand na ginawa ni May Layog, yung one of the most famous na beauty vlogger here in YouTube. So we will be opening and swatching the shades from GRWM Cosmetics, yung kanilang Milk Tint. So if you wanna know my thoughts about it, how it swatches on my lips, at sa aking Morena skin tone, then please keep on watching. Simplihan lang tayo ngayon, black t-shirt lang, but we have here the PR kit of GRWM or the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics by May Layog. Grabe, napaka-OG yung GRWM dito sa YouTube kasi parang puro ganyan yung mga makeup videos before, di ba? Get Ready With Me. Tapos kung ano-ano mang chikahan. Anyway, ito na nga yung kanilang Milk Tint Volume 1. So, pag binili mo pala yung PR kit, it's 1,495. Pero pag binili mo yung isang peraso lang or isang shade lang, it's 249 pesos. So, akala ko dito sa PR kit kasama yung mirror, pero hindi pala. Yung box lang talaga and the tint itself. So, buksan na natin siya. I'll show you the clip of me opening the box. May paper bag siya kasama, and then once you open up the box, nakalagay sa gilid na, "Hey Glow Getter, you've got this." And it has stickers. And then, pag nakita mo na yung product, sobrang gulo-gulo niya. Syempre, because of the shipping. So, let's fix it up real quick. And as you can see, it is 6 shades. 6 beautiful shades. So, let's get the shade at buksan na natin yung box. And this is the product itself. At ang nakalagay pa sa box ay may sticker siya ng date open. At ilagay mo dyan kung kailan mo binuksan because the product is kapag binuksan mo siya, after 12 months, mag-e-expired na siya. So, kailan ko ito binuksan? Today is May 22. So, again, ito yung itsura ng packaging niya. Maliit lang pala siya, pero ang dami laman. It consists of 8 grams of multi-use creamy tint. And ang amazing ng nozzle niya. It's not a usual lip applicator or doe foot applicator. It's a nozzle that is very much hygienic kasi yung nozzle hindi directly magta-touch sa lids mo, sa cheeks, or sa lips. So, walang laway na malilipat sa kanyang nozzle. So, again, that's very hygienic. At dahil dyan, mas tatagal yung expiration niya. As for the claims, nakalagay naman sa box right here that it is a long-lasting and hydrating multi-use cream that you can use on your lids, your cheeks, and your lips. Na nasabi ko nga kanina. And it has a velvety matte finish na may konting sheen lang for that extra glow. So, hindi siya matte na matte, but may konting sheen para mas mukhang fresh. Now, I'll be showing you the clip of where I swatched this sa likod ng kamay ko and also the descriptions of the shades. First shade is Cheesecake, a nude muted rose. Pero I think ito lang yung shade na very pink. Yung fruity naman is a muted mauve pink. As for the winter melon, it's a warm apricot peach. Okinawa is a warm brick red. 100% sugar is a warm rose with brown undertones. Lastly is mixed berries, a cool toned red with blue undertones. As you can see sa swatches, it's super pigmented. Konting-konti lang inilagay ko, pero ang dami ng kumalat. And now, I'll show you a clip naman of me blending it out to sheer it out kung ano yung magiging itsura niya on my Morena skin. At kahit binlend ko na sila ng matindi, they're still so pigmented. Going back to the claims, nakalagay sa kanilang Instagram account that etong mga product to ay lightweight daw on the lips. Mamaya, masasabi ko sa inyo if lightweight ba talaga siya or hindi. Is it pigmented? Sobrang pigmented. Nakita naman kanina sa swatches natin. So, mag-swatch tayo ulit. This is in the shade of Winter Melon, yung pinaka-orange. Ayan, very pigmented, very blendable. Grabe, ang konti lang yun, dami na nang narating. Gusto mo ba ng ganyang kulay sa cheeks? Then let's add a bit more just to check if it is buildable. So, konti na lang yung ilalagay ko. And again, ayan, very buildable siya. Talagang kumapal na yung kulay niya ng matindi. And meron pala siyang scent. I don't know lang, hindi ko alam kung paano i-describe yung scent nito. Then, lastly, ang nakalagay that it is long-lasting. And actually, yung gamit ko on my lips right now is the shade of 100% sugar. And kanina ko pa itong suot ng 2 p.m. and it's now 3:40 p.m. So, matagal na yon at meron pa rin. And hindi ko rin pala nabanggit yung key ingredients. So, meron siyang shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. So, yun yung nagpapa-moisturize at nagpapa-hydrate ng ating skin. So, now, I'll be swatching all of these shades sa lips ko na. So, tatanggalin ko na 100% sugar on my lips. Hindi rin siya matanggal, guys. So, sabi, sanitize hands daw muna before we apply this on our skin. Pero sa ngayon, swatch ko lang siya on my lips. So, let's start with Cheesecake. Ganyan kadami. And I'll be using my hand lang. Hand talaga. Finger naman. Parang ito yung ano sa akin. MLBB na kinda muted. Very nude siya for me. As a Morena. Parang I think ang ganda nito sa mga mestiza, chinita. Pero para sa akin na Morena, parang maganda lang to kapag may makeup ka. Like, pang smoky eye, gano'n. Pero on a daily, kunwari wala ka makeup, tapos ito lang, mga kami sakit, girl. Pero na-amaze ako kasi, na-cover na yung buong lips ko. And I don't feel anything on my lips. So, tama nga, lightweight nga siya. And wala ring lagkit factor. So far, ang ganda niya. I like it. At hindi rin niya na-emphasize yung mga kinda chapped lips. Inuhin pa to sa ngipin ko. Yun ay ingatan nyo na walang lilipat na product sa ngipin. Akala ko hindi ko siya magugustuhan kasi very muted pink. Pero, yeah, I like it. Next is Winter Melon. Very orangey. Saka buo talaga siya na-apply on my lips. Ayoko rin kasi ng diffused kasi hindi bagay sa lips ko yung diffused. There it is. Very orange talaga yung winter melon. Parang hindi siya winter melon. More on Thai milk tea. Yung ganitong color. Nakaka-yellow lang lalo ng ngipin kasi orange. Next is fruit tea. Parang meron akong gantong shade. Tapos ito yung shade na nakaka-fresh for summer. So, namatay yung camera while I was watching. Pero ayan na siya on my lips. So, parang medyo neon siya for me. Very summer-friendly shade. Pwede naman for Morena. Pwede rin for chinita. Pero, for me, personally, hindi ko siya gagamitin. Parang ang neon na talaga on my skin. Next shade is Okinawa. Madali siyang lumabas sa nozzle. Fairness sa shade na to. Maganda pala siya. Akala ko sa swatch hindi. Ito siya sa dulo. Pero on my lips, parang siyang red pero hindi ganun ka-red. Parang ito yung red na I would go for. Grabe, full lip application kagad siya, no? Daliri lang yung gamit ko nito, ah. Next shade, ito yung gamit ko kanina, yung 100% sugar. Talaga yung favorite shade ko. Feeling ko ito yung pinaka-bagay on my skin tone and also sa preference ko. Gusto ko talaga itong shade na to. Ang ganda niya. Ito yung favorite shade ko out of the 6 shades na meron sila. Ito yung shade na hindi loud. As in, ang ganda niya talaga. Last shade is Mixed Berries. So, ito yung red na red. As in, blue-toned red. Tapos, try ko naman now if I could use a brush. Kasi pag red, dapat mas defined eh. Okay, definitely mas manifest yung application kapag may brush. Manifest pa lang yan, pero sobrang pigmented na sa camera. Actually, parang mas madali siya gamitin. Nandaliri lang. Or hindi lang maganda yung brush ko. Sobrang red ng shade. Again, this is Mixed Berries. Sobrang red niya. As in, ito yung magiging favorite siguro ng mommy ko since mahilig siya sa ganitong klaseng red. And I call this shade parang puta red. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun yung tawag ko, pero yun. And with this product, kailangan medyo maingat ka lang kasi lumilipat siya sa ngipin mo, especially pag medyo makapal yung application mo. So, ganun, para, ayun o, dami lipat sa ngipin ka. Pero girl, the shade, nakakaputi siya ng ngipin. Diba? Kahit hindi naman ganun kaputian yung ngipin ko. Pakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa tong face ko ngayon. Well, nagdagdag lang ako ng konting eyeshadow. But ginamit ko tong mga milk tints on my face right now. Parang hindi ganun kaganda yung lighting natin. And since these products are multi-purpose, I wanna try if I can use the shade of Winter Melon as parang color corrector since it's orange sa aking under eye area. Lalagyan lang ako ng konting-konti dito as a color corrector. I think pwede naman. Tapos papatungan ko siya ng concealer from Vice. This is in the shade of Shade ni Vice. So pag shade ni Vice na yung ginamit ko dyan, parang magiging grayish yung under eye ko. But pag lagyan natin ng corrector or a deeper concealer, maganda na siya. Mukha na siyang skin ko. Ayan. So it works as a color corrector for my dark under eye area. So I'll just do the same thing. Multi-purpose talaga siya. Pwede mo siyang gamitin para dito. It can cover up the darkness on your face, especially sa under eye area mo. Just blend it out. Just set it for like 10 seconds bago mo ipatong yung concealer. Nice! Effective siya. Galing! Parang gusto kong gamitin yung Okinawa or my cheeks. Tinitingnan ko kasi pagdating sa cream blushes, if magbe-blend in nicely siya with the concealer, kung papangit ba yung consistency right here, or yung texture pala. Okay, hindi. Hindi na bago yung texture. Walang crust. Ganyan kasi nangyayari. Okay, it's nice. I like it. I'm just going to powder up my face, then I'll be back para sa lip product na. Di pa pala ako naglalagay sa eyelid. Okinawa. Nag-bronze lang ako ng face kasi parang feeling ko ang puti-puti ko kanina. And on my lips naman, I'll be using the shade of 100% Sugar. And just a light wash of 100% Sugar on my lips. Ayoko siyang i-full. So this is our look right now. Wala pa akong kili, wala pa rin akong mascara. But it is 2:30 ng hapon. I'll check back with you later kung ano na yung itsura ng ating lids, cheeks, and lips. So ito siya. Hindi ko pala ito na-test, but syempre, since it's a lip tint, hindi naman siya transfer-proof. So, yan, may konting transfer. Dahil manipis na naman yung nilagay ko na product on my lips. Time now is 6:17 ng gabi. So, that is like 4 hours after I applied it on my face. At ayan na yung eyeshadow natin. Hindi ko pinatungan. Naglagay lang ako ng konti sa ilalim. Then, the blush is still there. Kahit nagpawis na ako kanina. The lipstick, actually, habang nag-live ako sa Shopee, since I'm also a Shopee live streamer, nag-try lang ako. Nag-add lang ako ng very, very light. I'll just flash the screenshot right here. And, kumain ako ng sandwich. So, malamang mag-press yung lips mo sa bread, diba? And then, I'm also drinking an iced coffee. Na-shock ako na wala masyado nagka-transfer sa straw and even dun sa bread. And may mga konting, actually meron pa talagang kulay. May lipstick pa ako. So, I'm amazed by that. Ito kagad yung thoughts ko about these products kasi kagabi ko, swinot siya kamay ko. Kanina, ni-road test ko yung shade na 100% Sugar. And ngayon, tinest ko ulit sila sa mga labi ko. Sa labi ko. And what I do notice is that yung formula niya, from the lightest one, yung Cheesecake, to the boldest one, itong Mixed Berries, parehas lang. So, may consistency. Kasi usually, yung mga lip products, parang iba yung formula pag lighter shade than the bolder shades. Pero ito, same. As in, parehas silang nako-cover yung buong lips ko, walang manipis. Basta yun, sobrang parehas ng consistency, which I like. Siyempre, sobrang pigmented talaga niya, ng malala, na nag-iiwan siya ng stain all throughout the day. Parang lipstick siya na nagta-transfer definitely, like, ayan, nagta-transfer siya. Pero kahit hanggang mamaya, nakita niyo naman, sa start ng video, ilang hours ko na suot yung Okinawa nun, nasa lips ko pa rin siya, which I like. And I highly appreciate that. Lalo na, 249 pesos lang siya. And yung red, nag-leave na ng stain kahit tinanggal ko na siya with a tissue. Another thing na nagustuhan ko about this product kasi multi-use talaga siya. Kasi nakita nyo naman, ginamit ko pa yung shade na Winter Melon as my color corrector sa under eye area. So, pwede talaga siya. Also, with this kind of product, pwede mong i-mix and match. Pwede mong i-mix yung mga shades to create the shade that you want. Kunwari, itong red gusto mong i-tone down, edi haluan mo nung cheesecake, kunwari. Pwede mo rin gawin yung graded lip with this kasi blendable siya. At dahil nozzle yung applicator niya, I do highly appreciate it since very hygienic to. So, you can share with your friends, your family, na hindi mo may isip na, oy, magta-touch yan sa lips niya. Diba? Oy, madidikitan niya ng laway niya. Yung ganun ba? So, ito, very hygienic, lalo na ngayong quarantine, lalo na ngayon may pandemic. Very useful yan. Matalino si May Layog na ginawa niya yan. So, at the end of the day, kung tatanong mo ako kung ito ba ay i-recommend ko or hindi, I honestly can't believe na sasabihin kong yes. Kasi nung una talaga, wala akong high hopes about these products since hindi ako mahilig sa mga tints, sa mga creamy tints. Hindi ako mahilig. Kasi ayoko ng mga products na nagta-transfer, especially for the lips. Pero, ayun nga, I would recommend it kasi sobrang multi-use siya. Pwede mo pang gamitin to color correct your under eye area. Pwede mong i-mix and match. Ang ganda niya sa blush. Yan yung gamit ko ngayon. The shade of Okinawa on my blush. Ang ganda rin niya sa eyelids. Pero napansin ko lang sa lids, medyo nag-oil up siya. Mga after how many hours. Pero, that's normal for me naman. So, wala akong negative thing about it. So again, kung yes or no, yes, I would highly recommend them. And if you want to check them out, I'll put the links in the description box para isang click mo na lang sa link, ma-add to cart, o ma-check out mo na kagad yung kung anong product or kung anong shade yung gusto mo sa mga napakita ko ngayon. So that is about it for our swatching and review video for the day. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed it or learned something, hit the thumbs up button. Comment below kung ano yung favorite shade nyo from the GRWM Milk Tints. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button down there. At habang nandiyan ka na, i-click mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever I upload videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!